In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can use Keypad Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now hit Clipboard at the top of it, and all of your copied text and images will appear here. To go back, click on this icon of a clipboard at the top left corner. Now, to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and click on your text here. To pin it, hold it, and use pin icon at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it as well, but this time use pin icon at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To delete your text on the go, click on this icon at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!